Good morning to class 9 students. Today we will be start doing next chapter, Introduction to OpenOffice.org Writer. This chapter, as we can say, is all about the MS Word. In this chapter we will be studying about the thorough study of the MS Word. First we will be discussing about what is MS Word. MS Word is a application. As we all know, MS Word, it is a processor which is used to create, format as well as to store and print the documents. And in the word processor we can do various things such as managing files, editing text and paragraph formatting, header, footers. All these we have done in our previous class. All these are the various features that are available in the word processor. Word processor is used in the various offices as well as in the various schools to maintain the data. Applications of the word processor. Application means where we use, what are the areas where we can use the word processor. For example, we can typing the letters, letterheads, the creating legal copies. As you can see, this book has been written and has been printed with the help of the word processor. MS Word means MS Microsoft Excel Word, where you can put the words to write any document and process it. And the next is the further for creating the legal copies and the memos. In this we will be start how will you open the MS Office. These are the steps. First click on the start button and then this window appear. Program, go to the MS Word Office and this Microsoft Office appears. It is available in every version, but it is different in every version. And what are the components of the MS window? This is the window which is appear in the MS window. First, this is the horizontal bar. From this you can scroll from left and right. This is the top margin. This is the formatting, in which format you want to do the formatting. This is the ruler. These are called the numbering. This is the area, text area, where you can write anything. This is the scroll bar. This is for the up and down movement. This is the scroll bar. This is the status bar. What is the current status of the MS Word? This is the menu bar. Menu bar contains the file, edit, view, insert, format tools. We all are familiar with this.